Good evening, everyone. We are the Group 4. We will be discussing about the high availability, fault tolerance, and live migration. I am the one who will be discussing the high availability. High availability in the cloud is achieved by creating clusters. A high availability cluster is a group of servers that act as a single server to provide continuous uptime. These servers will have access to the same shared storage for data. So if a server is unavailable, the other servers pick up the load. High availability is a characteristic of a system which aims to ensure an agreed level of operational performance, usually uptime, for a higher than normal period. Modernization has resulted in an increased reliance on this system. In order to reach a certain level of high availability, a cloud provider should monitor its resources and deploy services continuously, with information about resources and service behaviors available. A cloud provider could make good management decisions in order to avoid outage or failure. High availability is of great significance for mission critical systems, where a service disruption may lead to adverse business impact, resulting in additional expenses or financial losses. Although high availability does not eliminate the threat of service disruption, it ensures that the IT team has taken all the necessary steps to ensure business continuity.
Hello, my name is Gerard Eluyati. In a timely manner, please provide a report about the live migration and fault tolerance, and this will tell you what each of their components are. Fault tolerance. Cloud fault tolerance simply means your infrastructure is capable of supporting uninterrupted functionality of your application, despite failures of components. The cloud computing settings that may due to auto-scaling across a geographic zone on the same data center. Fault tolerance is a property that enables a system to continue operating properly in the event of the failure of one or more faults with some of its components. If there is no single point of failure, then the system is not a fault tolerance. Accept the fault isolation concept. The fault occurrence is handled separately from other systems. It helps to isolate the enterprise from an existing system failure. The summary of fault tolerance is a procedure that allows an operating system to react to a hardware or a software failure. This concept of fault tolerance relates the system's capacity to function even in the face of errors or malfunctions. Live migration. Live migration refers to the process of moving a virtual machine running on a physical host to another host without disrupting normal operation or causing any downtime or other adverse effects of the end user. Live migration is usually performed when a physical host machine, computer or server needs maintenance or an update, or when a VM must switch to different hosts. The process transfers the VM memory, the network connectivity, and the storage. Most of the migration occurs when the OS continues to run. Live migration uses a process which transfers memory pages from the current host to the destination host and then simply transfers ownership of the VM's virtual disk to the destination host. Like you see the virtualization layer, hypervisor, and the physical server hardware server A to the virtualization layer, hypervisor, physical server hardware, server B. And why is live migration necessary? Live migration enables more effective load balancing, enabling optimal sharing of system and CPU resources. Additionally, it enables apps to keep working while the administrator handles background maintenance tasks like security upgrades. That's all. Thank you.